See him going for the lights?
What was that?
He thinks it's a hole. He sees light, so he's trying to get to the hole to get outside. I'm sorry, but my ankles are not going outside.
I so hope they got it on camera.
Really obvious. Did he peck at you?
No, he's just trying to, he thinks it's a light going outside, a hole in the wall. And your coat is right over here or somewhere.
Now he's going after the laser.
Yep. I wish I had an illuminator on the video. This may be the biggest capture of the night.
Oh, he landed on the camera.
No, there's set up a K2.
I didn't trick him that time.
No.